smart city to reduce noise pollution. So let us see what is in our project. Nowadays we hear the news regarding accidents are mostly due to rash driving and overspeeding, and people do not bother about that. In some areas such as central cities, near hospital, near school, etc., horn is prohibited by rules and regulation. So we have tried to develop a system that will overcome all these problems. In our system, the current speed will be monitored by some separate modules or by the ultrasonic sensor that will send information to the controller. The controller will compass both driver and speed and will check whether the speed is exceeding or not. If the speed exceeds above 40 km per hour average, then the buzzer will buzz and the alert message will send to the driver to maintain the speed limit of the vehicle. The only way by which driver can honk if the driver gets close to another vehicle. The intervehicular communication done using GPS signal and with a proportionate.
In system architecture, there are three modular use: admin, login, municipal corporation, and system. In admin login, admin can add the municipal corporation and it view the honking zone which is included by the municipal corporation on GPS. He also view and delete the municipal corporation and also view all the details of data which is included by the municipal corporation. Second module is a municipal corporation. In our system, municipal corporation can add the multiple honking zone like school, college, hospital, old age home, and government office in cities as a honking zone with their longitude, latitude, type, name, and other description. And he decides the speed limit of vehicle which is travel from near about the honking zone. Third module is a system module. In our system, when any car or vehicle goes from any honking zone, the accelerometer can track the current speed limit of vehicle. Accelerometer can built in the vehicle, but which is not the speed of that vehicle during honking zone, which is declared and saved on GPS by municipal corporation. If detected speed of vehicle is greater than the speed which is allowed in a honking zone area, then the piezo buzzer is buzzed and he get the alert message to driver to drive slowly in your honking zone area.
Hi friends, I Aditya Garbek is going to tell you about my project that is Adaptive On for Smart Cities to Reduce Noise Pollution. So we basically start with what is my project is all about. My project mainly deals with adaptive horn as stated before. This may be of use in busy areas like no honking zones, schools, hospitals, etc. Now we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this project. Advantages: reduction in accidents as high speed of the vehicle can be avoided. Driver will be made aware of exceeding speed and horn in no honking zone. Speed and noise generation can be automatically controlled and intensity of horn will be reduced. GPS tracks the location of no honking zone as to control the speed of the vehicle and helps to reduce the noise pollution. The system also helps to decrease headache, other problems and maintain the silence in no honking zone. Enhanced safety and security will be provided, thereby ensuring user satisfaction. Now we will discuss about disadvantages. Sensor output may vary with respective seasons and climatic conditions. Sensor range will vary according to vehicle movement, for example while turning or in case of any accident. Sensor may disconnect if the wires are not durable or not properly handled. Thank you.
Requirements for a system are the technology used is Java. Java is the platform independent language which is used for the coding of the Android. Front-end use for the GUI designing is HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. To store the Data we use MySQL. SQL is the open source for the storing of the data. Hardware devices. Hardware devices are the Arduino, GPS, switch, buzzer, and accelerometer. Arduino is used for the coding. GPS is used to track the location. Switch is used to on or off the circuit. Buzzer is used to indicate the speed of the vehicle, which is increasing. Accelerometer, it detects the speed of the vehicle.